my god.
Dame i gospodo, nalazimo se u Madridu, upravo smo završili s uvodnim programom, a idemo u studentsku menzu, malo isprobati njihova jela. Tamo. Prosim, ja ti uvijek molim, kako malo previše razmišljam.
Kako je biti s druge strane kamere?
S druge strane kamere je jako ugodno, zato što me snima jedna jako draga osoba, gospođa Iva, molim? Da, kao.
Young people felt like there wasn't like very much transparency, that they feel like linked directly to the young people's lives. And then the solutions that they had are education and participation. And so education, just improving publicity from the EU and educating all of the young people about what's going on there.
Sorry? Like those gender, LGBT, etc. things, they were not mentioning all genders, just both genders in that text.
Glavni kod
Či Slovaci umiju
I think there's Slovaks which are
from the northern part of Slovakia. Maybe 20%. We have a really long border with Poland. A lot of people like me
are gonna prepare a statement. Me and Buraz are gonna lead their
Za navigaciju. I lijevo.
smo na nekom food festivalu.
Što ti jedeš?
Krema katalana se zove. To je nešto.
Ali svi su toliko opušteni, uopće nema neke nervoze po ulicama, po gradu.
Sve će, samo pomalo.
Pomalo, ajde. Ovo isprobati churros. Churros. Opa. Evo viš pa, vidi s vama. A to skao ovak mač?
Da. Je baš veoma.
Idemo malo raspravljati o politici, o ljudskim pravima. Nadam se da ćemo doći do pozitivnih zaključaka.
So she calls me baby all the time. What?
Are you hungry?
No.
No.
Mi Slaveni ne volimo biti glavni, tako da.
But like, I can actually send it.
There's too many options.
I'm gonna start on the far right.
Any questions? I was asking if there was a line for politically correct. No. Okay.
Why not?
No. You don't get to be neutral. We should stick to kill that social media. Greta Thunberg is the reason why so many young people care about the environment.
Yes, I think I agree with what you said. I would say that she was maybe the spark that lit like the whole thing.
She sort of started a trend to care about the environment.
Especially in the days of social media and visco girls and I don't know what.
Saying disagree is saying that the children, they found like they weren't inspired by Greta. It had nothing to do with Greta that they started caring about the environment. But what you're saying is they only care because of Greta, because of this trend.
Yeah, but the thing is, the statement itself was, do they care about the environment? I'm saying that they don't care about the environment. So that's the reason why I'm not there. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, you should be careful for She's a bit dangerous, so...
Fun fact numero 1, za boravak u Madridu vam ne treba puno dinero. Dakle, u samom centru grada možete naći solidnu večeru za 10 eura. Dakle, pivo, sangrija za 3 eura. Obzirom na atraktivitet i veličinu grada, mislim da to stvarno nije loše.
I guess it's the first time here, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, so how are you going to it? I mean, are you going to share some dishes?
Šta tvoja kolegica ponese?
Moja frenica, ona ponese čvarke u kino i jede ih ko čips. Svi otvore fino čips, a ona fino čvarke i onda. To je, ne znam kako se zove, ali noodles sa nekakvim mesom, sa još nečime.
Pa ga mešamo. Pa ga mešamo. My pork.
The biggest terrorist attack here in Madrid was in 2004, which was not that far away. 300 people died here, and it was caused by a terrorist group from Belgium. And it's so scary that many people died here. So these are.
Basically, is that we today talk a little bit about the new parliament that has come out of the elections in May. So what we can expect from the new commission, and after that we can also talk about Brexit.
I'm curious about what's your approach to it. That you say like freedom of press, and like how would your way?
So, communicating on this is very, very difficult, because you can imagine. Well, I worked for the Commission before. That was easier, because the Commission has a standpoint which is very pro-European normally. Now I'm working for the Parliament. In the Parliament we have all these parties, and if I go out and give an interview and someone is annoyed by what I'm saying from the left or from the right, I really get a lot of pressure. Let's put it like that. Huh?
Kada ste na putu uvijek morate nazvat baku da zna da ste dobro. Bog bako, Petar je. Ja sam sada u Španjolskoj, bako. U Španjolskoj. U Španjolskoj sam. Kak si ti? A kak je dida, je mu ruka zdrava?
Evo, ajde, evo Diko, sad će samo sjest. Evo sam sjezan za uklima jedva. Da Diko, budi mi pozdravljen i dobar i dalje ko si do sad.
Može.
Evo ti dida.
Alo, Bog dida, Petar je.
Ne mi reci kako društvo imaš, ili imaš ženskog društva?
Pa evo, ima.
A gdje se nalaziš?
U Španjolskoj, u Madridu. Znaš za Real Madrid? Dida?
Ne razumijem, ja te.
Nalazim se u Madridu.
Šta radiš tamo?
Pa tamo se učimo pričat na stranim jezicima i učimo o Europskoj uniji. Ajde, i ja pozdravljam sve.
So this bird is hugging a tree called madroñero. It's a typical symbol of the city of Madrid.
Maybe this is
Fun fact numero 2.
Tapas is the food that is served with alcohol or regular drink, and the way it began was when the workers came back from working in the morning. They only had a little bit of money, so when they went to the restaurant or the bar, instead of buying actual food, they buy alcohol or wine. So the king made a law that the bartender had to serve a little bit of food with the alcohol so the workers could have nutrition. And so to this day, when you buy your alcohol drink, the restaurant owner brings you a little bit of food. The reason the street signs have pictures in Madrid is because back in the old days, people did not know how to read, so the pictures allowed them to know which street they were on.
Thank you guys, you are very nice. Oh, this is my China. Najstariji restoran na svijetu.
I think that it's really
not so good wine because not usually known.
Yes! Scusare, può essarmi kuma kuchara? So we are trying gazpacho. It's cold, man. It's not even a soup. It's cold.
So, dear friends, thank you for coming.
Thank you for participating and for organizing Elizabeth. This is for me. Thank you for participating, Evan. Thank you for participating, Marita. Thank you for participating, Kata.